Our number one fan, Nico's recovering nicely from his cameo role in Tiger King.
Your mission, Agentix, should you accept it, open the wrench.
Nico suggested that I explain the telefisch logo. I've used it as a personal logo since the 80s. The best version is on my pedal board looper. I know, it's a bit silly, but we can't all draw like Da Vinci. That's why I thought it a good idea to bring this logo into my hobby world of metalworking. Now I don't want to get into a 27B/6 style flame war with the awesome 1980s Los Angeles punk band Flipper, because let's be honest, my logo looks nothing like theirs. It's more of a tribute because, of course, if you see them on telly, it's a telefisch. Now I know that most people use CNC machinery for nice, accurate and precise parts, but that's not really where my talent lies. So using the 1 1/4 ton milling machine to make a wonky logo, now that seems like the right thing to do to me. Anyway, I'd like to give a heartfelt thank you to all of the people who have watched my videos, and especially those who have subscribed to them. Definitely gives a lot of motivation, and I really appreciate it. I guess it's time we get back to the regular program, huh?